Tired of manually stamping documents one by one? Let's streamline your workflow by creating an auto stamp in Docusign in just a few simple steps. First, navigate to the Templates tab in your Docusign account. Then, select Create Template. Now, upload the document you want to use as the base for your auto stamp document. You can drag and drop the file, or browse your computer. Once uploaded, click Next. This will take you to the template editing interface. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel with various fields. Find the stamp field and drag it to the desired location on your document where you want your stamp to appear automatically. Now, customize your stamp. You can upload an image of your company logo, signature, or any other image you want to use as your stamp. You can also resize and reposition the stamp as needed. Next, assign the recipient who will automatically receive the stamped document. This is crucial for the auto stamping to work. Finally, save your template with a descriptive name. Now, whenever you use this template, the stamp will automatically be applied to the document for the designated recipient, saving you time and effort. Enjoy your newfound efficiency.